Hello everyone, Interceptor. I hope everyone is doing well in this pandemic. You might be wondering why I'm speaking in English. I'm trying to bring a different type of content for all the viewers to understand and enjoy. My name is Dorji, and today we're going to camp in a village called Gunehr, located near the beer beating hill. Beer is famous for paragliding and has a Tibetan settlement. My family and I used to live there a long time ago, and the place seems to change drastically each time I visit. And this place will always be close to my heart. We left around 10:30 in the morning from Dharamshala. We thought it would rain, as the monsoon is already here, but thankfully it didn't. I just remembered that we had to buy sausages for breakfast, and why not a Gatorade for the road? Someone once said, it's not the destination, it's the journey. Indeed, the journey makes it even more memorable. Ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to ride bikes and go on long trips. It's the conversations, people you meet, places you see, and of course, tummy halts to rejuvenate over a cup of tea or snacks. Little things like these that makes a journey memorable. With that being said, let's stop for a tea at the famous tea point in Gopalpur. No better place to enjoy a cup of tea than in the tea fields. Okay, where was I? Yeah, I always wanted to ride bikes and go on long tours, and I hope I can do an all-India ride someday. As you can see on my right, there are lots of stupas, or we call them State in Tibetan. There are exactly 108 Chaitins there, if I'm not wrong. The reason is that the number 108 is a sacred number in Tibetan Buddhism. For example, Buddhist rosary has 108 beads. Finally, after 1.5 hours of the bike ride, we reached Bir, where we met our friends / YouTubers, the Master Chef Tenzin Tech Show, avid biker Abu Siring, and the one and only Gabber Production. And like that, we started leaving for the campsite.
I am a single lady. Okay, so do dus ni thadu yure. Adus khaptu ya. Gunehr la dus che. Chu la. Cha. Let's go. Cha.
But first, we had a quick stop at Beach Square, where we bought groceries for dinner and tomorrow's breakfast.
Nebul sara gulum jinda.
And then we finally left for the camp. As we were approaching the camping site, the road got narrower, smaller houses but with vast and lush backyards. And I counted there were more cows and sheep than bikes and cars trading their way home. People here have very minimal needs. I guess abundance is not everything, and sometimes having simple things is everything. At last, we reached our campsite, located in between two foothills. There are many other places like this nearby where you can camp and even go for paragliding during the seasons.
Gel den choy mo. Ra. Gel yang gonda
Dile evening do şuzu tuba nasıl?
şuzu ski.
Şida ona turda.
Şuzu dimbos mu şişler bu maraya?
Geva.
Geva sarı.
Arabaci. Sen yer gör.
Ta güzü ta da geva ha şuzu ta relation there da ben relax full relax ra.
We changed and went for a small hike to a nearby river, the gushing of which we could hear from the campsite. It wasn't a big river. However, away from all the noise and pollution, we were finally one with nature. And even this small river had a huge impact on us. In the mountain beds by the riverside, we found ourselves rejuvenated and recharged.
오케이. 땅 잡아. 저도 나 먼저 찼어. 대차사야 너도 왜? 나 장보러 올 때. 나 가서 야도 바비큐 짜. 아니 건다.
Barbecue time kan işte.
메가 타이어 된거.
Mere.
그래서 건다 치킨 바비큐도 있지.
이 바비큐 레시피는 니만 있는 무슨 알려요?
The sun was setting. In the last light of the day, we lit fire. At one point, we were all quiet and lost in our thoughts. The bonfire was ready. We started preparing dinner with Thick Jock's famous chicken barbecue recipes. Busy enjoying the barbecue and with conversations, we lost the track of time. And at the end of the day, we have all got closer to nature and to each other, and some things would never be the same again.